Deep squats go beyond a simple exercise. They serve as a natural resting position, with remarkable anti-aging benefits. In many cultures, people instinctively use this position daily, which helps maintain joint mobility and muscle flexibility. However, in developed countries, deep squats are often considered difficult because many adults gradually lose the ability to perform them. The real issue isn't aging, it's inactivity. The widespread use of chairs, couches, and high-seated toilets reduces the need to squat deeply in daily life. Over time, this leads to stiffness, decreased flexibility, and even joint discomfort. Children naturally drop into deep squats with ease, but when we stop practicing this movement, our tendons and ligaments become rigid, our joints lose flexibility, and our mobility declines. In societies where deep squatting is a normal part of daily activities, conditions like osteoarthritis occur far less frequently. A common misconception is that deep squats are bad for your knees, but the truth is they actually help protect them. Unless you have an existing knee injury or cartilage damage, most knee pain results from weak supporting muscles. Avoiding squats only exacerbates the issue over time. What's the secret to strong, pain-free knees? Consistently moving through a full range of motion. Think of it this way: movement keeps your joints healthy. Regular squatting activates and strengthens the muscles that provide joint stability. Being able to perform a deep squat effortlessly is a sign of good mobility, longevity, and overall well-being. To incorporate deep squats into your routine, follow these simple steps. Perform bodyweight squats daily to build leg strength and improve flexibility. If your ankles feel tight, use a wall for support to maintain balance and posture. Hold on to a sturdy object like a door frame to assist in getting into position. By making deep squats a regular habit, you'll boost mobility, prevent joint discomfort, and tap into powerful anti-aging benefits. So, are you ready to take control of your movement and long-term health? Start squatting today. Looking for more ways to stay strong, flexible, and youthful? Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Your journey to better health begins now.